Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Wahab Khan and this is my very first vlog on YouTube. This is a testimony, a tribute, an offering of a few words of gratitude to Robert Rogers, who has immensely helped me over the past couple of years. I'm sure I'm not the only one who has immeasurably benefited from his videos. It is unbelievable how much time and effort and physical and personal resources of his own he invests into his tutorials and reviews. He makes it all look so easy, while it most definitely isn't. I'm a huge photography lover. Call me a hobbyist or an enthusiast or whatever you want. But one thing is for sure, I love everything about photography. People like Rob are the ones who taught me how to be even more capable of ever so thoroughly enjoying my passion. I can comfortably claim that 90% of my Micro Four Third associated photography knowledge can be easily attributed to Robert. And he also teaches a lot of things which can be applied through other camera systems, even film cameras. I'm sure that apart from being a brilliant tutor and an excellent photographer, he must also be a great human being. I live a few thousand miles away from you, Robert. I would love to go on a photo walk or a drive or sit with you over a cup of tea or coffee and learn a thing or two more about photography from you. But as I said, the distance is the hindrance here. So Robert, I have transferred a few bucks to your account, and I would urge everyone who is watching this video to do the same. I believe it will encourage Robert to do even more good for my fellow hobbyists. So Robert, I can't say this enough. Thank you very much for your time and effort. You have no idea what you have done for me and for many other photography hobbyists. So keep shooting, keep posting.